Oscar Piastri is an Australian racing driver who competes in Formula One for McLaren. Piastri has won 9 Formula One Grands Prix across 3 seasons. Born and raised in Melbourne, Piastri began his career in radio-controlled racing before moving into karting aged 10, where he won several regional titles. As of the 2025 Qatar Grand Prix, Piastri has achieved 9 race wins, 6 pole positions, 8 fastest laps and 24 podiums in Formula One. Piastri is contracted to remain at McLaren until at least the end of the 2028 season. November 30, 2025, Piastri has added to his tally with 3 more Grand Prix victories, helping McLaren defend their constructors' title. Notable highlights include a rain-delayed win at the Belgian Grand Prix, where he outperformed Norris. Challenges like disqualifications in Las Vegas and on-track incidents have tested him, but his maturity shines through. Known for his composure, precision and rapid ascent through motorsports junior ranks, Piastri has already secured 9 Grand Prix victories, 6 pole positions, 8 fastest laps and 24 podiums in F1 as of the 2025 Qatar Grand Prix. He is contracted with McLaren through at least the end of the 2028 season. Piastri grew up in the Brighton suburb of Melbourne, just a short distance from Albert Park, the venue for the Australian Grand Prix, a location that sparked his passion for racing as a child watching F1 cars thunder past. Piastri attended Haileybury College in Melbourne before moving to Haileybury and Imperial Service College in Hertford, England at age 14 to pursue his racing career. His family supported his ambitions. His father briefly relocated with him to the UK but returned to Australia after 6 months, leaving the young Oscar to adapt independently. Off the track, Piastri is known for his dry wit seen in humorous social media exchanges, like joking about adoption by Charles Leclerc for Montgesque Residency Parks. He remains based in the UK but returns to Melbourne often. Endorsements and media appearances, including a role in the 2025 film F1, the movie, have boosted his profile. Piastri's story from RC cars in Australia to F1 stardom embodies relentless progression, and at 24 he is firmly in the conversation for future World Championships. Piastri joined the Alpine Academy in 2020, but his path to F1 was complicated by a high-profile contract dispute in 2022. After winning F2, Alpine announced Piastri as their 2023 driver without his full consent, prompting him to publicly deny the deal on social media, a bold move that went viral. McLaren secured his services instead, with the FIA's contract recognition board ruling in their favor. Piastri tested with McLaren at the end of 2022 and debuted at the 2023 Bahrain Grand Prix alongside Lando Norris.